So guys and gals, brand new day. I'm going to teach you something new. We just got here. Guys and gals, it's Noah time. Every Monday, starting now, up until grade 8, up until grade 12, I will be giving you lines in your drawing. You're going to start with one line. At the end of grade 12, you're going to put all these lines together. It will form one big picture for you. Okay. As grade 8s, you will not see the whole picture. You only see 25% of the picture. Okay. Grade 12 see 100%. You have to wait until 5 years from now. Some people, only the reason why they want to graduate is they want to say, "Mr. I want to see the whole picture. That's the only reason I want to graduate." Okay. Some of you will wait 5 years to see the whole picture. No one sees it. Okay. Nope. Change it slightly. So that way no grade 12 can tell each other. Okay? And grade 12 sign a secret pact. That means they see it, they can't reveal the secret to anyone else. So you can't even ask anyone in grade 12. They sign a secret pact with me. They will not, it's a blood oath. They sign their name in blood. Okay? They sign their name in blood. Okay? So guys, for now you get one line. Next time you gotta have another line. It will form a picture. I want to see how many you can guess what the picture is. Okay? So today I'm going to teach you something called order of operations. Order of operations. Okay, guys and gals, I'm not there. I'm very hesitant to say you have a quiz tomorrow. How about we'll have our next quiz is on the day before Wednesday. The day before Wednesday. How about that?
I don't like the days.
We were not having quiz tomorrow. We were just have a quiz the day before Wednesday. Okay. All right. So that way everyone's happy. Okay. Order operations. Okay. So here's your stuff. Now before you start, every time I teach order operations, it reminds me a few years ago. I was at McDonald's with my friend. We sat, and it was during the days when McDonald's gave away those free Big Macs. Actually, it wasn't free. It's about $1 a Big Mac. And my dad bought like 20 Big Macs all at once. Okay. For breakfast, guess what I had? For lunch, guess what I had? Dinner. I was so sick of Big Macs, I couldn't look at another Big Mac. I had that for 3 straight days. Okay. So imagine eating Big Macs for 3 straight days. Now, but that's not the story I want to share with you. The story I want to share was, but eating every day for 3 straight days, that's nasty.
No, that's 9 burgers still. You didn't finish 20.
Well, I didn't finish there, so my brother finished though. Okay.
Documentary Super Science me a guy eats like McDonald's for like 1 straight month.
Yep. You get really, really unhealthy. I was really, really sick afterwards. But the thing was that in McDonald's, there was this game that we play, and it's called Monopoly. How many of you seen those Monopoly games at McDonald's before? A lot of you did. And at the back of those stickers, sometimes it says, "I want a free burger." But before you can win a free burger, McDonald's always asks you to do something.
Oh.
What was it that McDonald's always asked you to do?
Oh, you know $50 prize thing for McDonald's gift card?
Yep.
I want that. You have to do some math question if you feel it.
You have to do what type of question?
This, it's like, okay, so it's like times.
Yep.
It's
McDonald's.
Times divide, and then.
Yep. McDonald's always asks you a math question. Notice in every game contest you win, doesn't matter if it's KFC, it's always a math question. They never ask you an English question, say which one is a noun. Okay? They never say which word is the noun in this sentence. Okay? It doesn't work. They never ask you a science question, say where is the water molecule located. It's always a math question. The reason why they ask you math is because they know that there's a good portion of population, even though they win, they will never answer the math question straight. Even if your Gempi says you win $1 million, but you come to McDonald's and says, "I want my $1 million," McDonald's says, "Before I give you $1 million, you have one chance to answer this question. If you answer the question right, we'll give you $1 million. If you answer the question wrong, we'll laugh at you." Okay?
They don't give you anything.
They don't give you.
I didn't get the $50.
Exactly, because you guessed it wrong. And I'm going to teach you. See, the reason I'm teaching you the story because me and my friend were at McDonald's, and I pulled this game piece that says you want like a free burger, a free Coke, and then I have to answer a skill testing question. And the sad thing was, so I was making fun. I was like telling my friend, like, "Wow, this is so easy. How come anyone get this wrong?" So I wrote down the answer, and my friend laughed at me. She was a math teacher also, And she's like, goodness gracious, and you're a math teacher? This is wrong. So I made a mistake on that thing. I want to see how many of you can correct my mistake. And up to this day, I still remember because that mistake haunts me. Okay? So I'm going to give you the same thing. Your skills testing question. Now, I don't have free burgers to give to people. I have something better, healthier. Starts with an A. Oh, no. Here we go, guys. Skills testing question. You get this skills test, you get an A. You get an almond. Almond starts with an A. Oh, Mr. No, I don't want your A anymore. Good luck. Okay. Up to this day, that question so haunts me. I want to see how many people does it haunt in this class. 3 minus open bracket. Okay. Now Ranbir was saying it has brackets, has multiplication, division to Ranbir.
It has like, I remember it had multiplication.
Mm-hmm.
It had divide.
Yep.
Minus and add. Oh my god.
Okay. 3 minus 4 times negative 3 plus 6 divided by 2. Up to this day, this question still haunts me. I know how to do it now, I hope. Otherwise, I'm not getting an almond. Guys and gals, your job is to re-correct my mistake and get my skills testing question correct. So this is the typical question on McDonald's. So Ranbir, does this look like what you're given? Or a bit more complicated or what? Or same thing, but same level? Same idea? So every single game piece question is always math. Never English, never socials, but math. Because math, there's a higher chance people make this error. Good luck. I have almonds floating around.
You want to be giving $1 million away for free?
Oh no, there's always cash. Spencer, you got it? Okay, guys and gals, I'm going to give, how about 8 almonds? For the 8 winners.
I need to kind of teach you
Alright, good luck. If you don't get it, almond goes to me. Error. This is a bit challenging. Let's see how many you can get this in one shot.
You use a calculator?
You can use no calculators. I want you to try this in your head. I want to see how many you can crunch all these numbers. Oh, just smell the almond. You guys, I get around. Just smell that almond right now. Smell that almond. Just smell that almond. Oh, you're back. Just smell that almond, guys. Smell it. Just want to reach out and grab it.
People's fight.
Oh, you think almonds are good for you?
No, mister, you don't even check the sauce.
Nope, there's an error.
Why is it an error?
Oh, there's an
The
error.
answer's 12.
Oh, who said 12?
I did.
I wrote 12.
I said 12. No, I used 12.
So easy.
Oh.
I just got it right.
Negative 12.
Negative 12.
So guys,
I won.
I'm going to leave this aside for now. But some of you are on the right track but made tiny errors. Now before you can actually do this, this is what I want to teach you for our lesson today. Now before I tackle this question, I want to teach you some background information. Okay? This is what I want you to tackle by the end of today. For now, I'm going to teach background. By the end of today, every one of you will be able to do that. Before you can do this, we're going to go to a bit of background information. The first 4 days of school, I taught you how to multiply and how to divide. And what I want you to focus on was positive and negatives. I'm going to give you 4 questions. A, 7 times 6. B, negative 63 divided by negative 9. C, Ranbir, what are you doing? Let's get cracking. Negative 10 times 3. Oh, no calculator.
Yeah, bro, no calculator. Cheat, come on.
Ranbir.
Yeah, she is.
D.
I'm doing the perfect question. No, you aren't.
Guys.
No, I'm not. Hey, talk to you like
D. I'm going to have
yeah, I don't.
negative
Mr. No, she's lying.
36 divided by negative 6. A, B, C, and D. So I want you to solve it. There's no fancy number lines. Just solve it as you normally would. See, before I can tackle the main thing, I want to work with your background information first. And this has to do with multiplication and division. So A, B, C, and D. That means, what is the answer for A? 7 times 6. Sorry, still doing it? Okay. Manat, what's A?
Positive 42.
Positive 42.
What is it? What did you be positive 41?
Okay. Because 7 times 6, notice my signs. Same thing. Manat, choose a student for me, please, madam. Farzana. B, negative 63 divided by negative 9.
Positive 7.
Positive 7. Why is it positive?
Because both signs are same.
Good.
So your answer would be positive.
See, Farzana says both signs are the same, so my answer is going to be positive 7. Farzana, choose a male student for me, please.
Hey, Farzana.
Ranbir. Why negative 30?
Because it's a 10, right?
Yep.
Minus times 3.
Yep.
So all you gotta do is.
So you have negative, and you have a?
And you have a positive.
Good. So your answer will be negative
Oh,
30.
what did I say? Who said this wrong? Yeah.
Ranbir.
Yeah.
Ranbir.
Mr. Was the answer positive 5 to your answer? To your question?
Sorry?
Was
Nope.
the answer positive 5 to your question?
Nope. Ranbir, choose a student for me, please. Poonam. D.
I didn't. I'm not on that.
So let's do this right now, Poonam. Negative 36 divided by negative. Is your answer positive, negative, first of all?
Positive.
Good. My answer will be positive. Now, 36 divided by 6 is? 6. So your answer is going to be 6. See, in the first 4 days of school, I've trained you how to do that. But there's one thing I didn't really train you yet, and which I expected you to know from elementary school. This is what I want to focus your review on. Adding / subtracting. Some of you are really afraid when it comes to adding and subtracting integers. You can't be afraid, okay? Now, if you need help, use the number line. Hint. Okay? If you need help, draw a number line. Now, some of you say, Mr. I'm too old. I don't want to draw a number line. Guys and gals, you're never too old to draw a number line. It helps you out. Eventually, you don't need to draw a number line anymore. Now, I learned how to ride a bike when I was in grade 8. So I was using training wheels all the way in high school. So imagine how silly it looked. Okay? But the thing is, but once I learned that, I was using training wheels in grade 8, but now I can ride a bike. But oh yeah, I did. Okay? It does. But you know what happens now? Now I can ride a bike. But now when I ask my friend, I'm like, hey, let's go bike riding. My friend says, oh, I can't. I don't know how to ride a bike. Okay? It's never too old for you to learn new tricks, for you to use training wheels. So when you're doing number lines, if you're stuck saying, no, I draw a number line, it helps you out. So I'm going to give you a question. For example, I say, A, 7 minus 9. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this number line. Okay? First, if you're really, really desperate, again, some of you don't need to do a number line, but I would show you how to do it anyway in case you're lost. Start with the first number they give you, which is 7. So I'm going to write down 7 here. Okay? I look at the next sign that follows 7. My sign is negative. Negative means I go to the left. So count 9 spaces to the left of 7. So watch. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not minus 9, which is negative what?
Oh, negative 4.
Negative 2. See, my answer is negative 2. This is why I said don't be shy to use the number line. Once you get the hang of this, you don't need number line anymore. It will come naturally. But more challenging for you. Good luck. Again, I'm going to walk around. I'm going to help you out. If you need a number line, go for it. B. Negative 3 minus 7. Guys and gals, good luck.
It's literally positive 18.
Positive 18?
Do I get it? Yeah.
Good luck with this one. Minus 3
Oh, easy peasy.
minus 7. What do you have, Meta? Positive, sorry? Positive 13 is not correct. Try again, Chris.
Is it negative 4?
Positive 10? Sorry?
Is it negative 4?
Negative 4.
Oh,
Negative 10. Catch. Oh, no, Ranveer. Earn the right. Now, guys, gals, the answer is negative 10. Like I said, some of you are still too embarrassed to draw a number line. I encourage you, if you don't have this right, draw a number line. So watch what I'm going to do. Draw your number line right now. Doot. Okay. Let's start. There's my number line. Aldrin, starting with my number line, what number should I put down first?
Negative 3.
Negative, sorry? 3, good. See, then I look at my next sign. Alex, my next sign is negative. Does that mean I go left or right? Left. How many spaces do I go left by?
7.
7. So count. So I'm going backwards now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, this is going to be negative 4, negative 5, 6, 7, and eventually, Torin, what do you have, sir? Negative, not negative 3, negative 10. Okay. So this is negative 4, negative 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Try this now. What if I give you this? C. Sometimes once you get the hang of this, you don't need a number line anymore. You have to train yourself up to a point that you don't need number lines. But for now, I'm allowing you to use these number lines. What if I say 4 minus a minus 5? Now, before you start, I'm going to write a few things down for you. Okay. I want you to highlight this negative and this negative. I'm going to write a few things down. If you see two negative signs, side by side.
Answer is minus 9.
Give me one second. Nope. Side by side. Okay. Then you change it to a positive. So I want you to remember this. When you're adding or subtracting, if you see two negative signs, see? Look at these two negative signs right here. My first negative sign, second negative sign. You change this to a positive. So rewrite your question as 4 plus 5. Positive 9. This is exactly the reason why it's positive 9. Some of you will be inclined to say, Mr. No, that's a trick question, that's negative 9. Remember, when you have signs side by side like this, negative becomes a positive. I'll give you about 3 more questions. That's your practice. The more you practice this, the easier life becomes for you.
My life is getting easier and easier every day.
D. 5 minus -3. That's question 1. E. -6 minus 9. F. 20 minus. It will be. You gotta know how to do all this stuff. Guys, gals, 3 questions. I'll give you 1 almond for each side. 1 on the left, 1 in the middle, 1 on the right, and I base it on whoever gets it first. Hands up. Oh, 1, 2.
All 3?
No. All 3. You have to get all 3. All 3 correct. D, E, and F. Oh, did you? Oh, you did C? Oh, no, this is the almond challenge. D, E, F. Oh, you get all 3? Alright, give me 1 second. E is wrong. Okay, let's try this side.
Mr. No, go give it to her. Go give it to her. That's mine. Belongs to me, got the lie?
But you won one
You
early.
leave my hood like you.
I'll donate to charity. You are correct, yes.
That's right.
I know it is correct.
Is it right?
It is correct. Negative 8 is not correct. Round here. Round here. Alright. E is not correct. E is not correct. A is not correct. You want half the round here? Half it? E is not correct.
I got it.
E is not correct.
Hey, I got it. -15. Come on. Come on, dude.
F is not. Yep. All right, guys, let's just work on this. I know. All right, listen up. Abel, let's start with you, sir. D. What's D? Sorry? 8 is correct. Notice one thing. See, I see a negative side by side. Negative side by side. Make it a positive. Abel, choose a female student for me, please. Manette.
-15.
Excellente. -15. Okay. And one more, I will choose, who haven't I, Muhammad. I haven't asked you for a while. F. Sorry? 14. Guys, girls, this is the background. Once you have the background, you're ready to tackle my challenge. Here is my challenge for you. Now, before we do this question, today's topic is something called order operation. The reason why a lot of you didn't get it because you didn't go to bed early. So let's learn how to spell. You didn't go to bed because if you go to bed early and you close your eyes and you wake up, you realize it's Christmas. Ha ha ha. Bad mass. Okay? Each letter corresponds to a word. B. Let's start with B. Brackets. I want you to fill in what each letter stands for. E. Exponents. Division. Okay? Multiplication. addition. And finally, subtraction. Now, I'm going to write a few things down first. Okay. This thing says this. You must work. Ranbir. In this order. Okay. You must work in this order. If, now I'm going to write a little extra star. This is where students make errors. If you see division and multiplication at the same time, you see both division and multiplication. Okay. On the same line. Okay. So it says if you see both division and multiplication on the same line, just work from left to right. Just work from left to right. I'll give you, sorry. Yes, madam.
What if addition's first?
Addition, then you got to do multiplication. Okay, I'll explain that to you. Good question. So the question was, what if you see addition? If you see addition, you still work with multiplication, division first. So I'll give you an example of what I mean by this. For example, your question is this. 3 plus 2 times 3 divided by 2. Okay. So now, I'm going to highlight a few things. I'm going to walk you through first. You get a chance to do this in a second. There's a multiplication right here. See, there's a division right here. They're all on the same line. If you see this on the same line, which means I would just work from left to right. Now, some say, so do I do 3 plus 2 first? And the answer is no. Guys and gals, I want you to solve 2 times 3 first right now. See, forget about the addition. That comes in later. Yep.
But on the bedmouse thingy,
Mhm.
D is first, so why don't we do division?
Good question. D is first. What happens when you go 3 divided by 2? Would you agree you get a decimal number? That's the reason why. So, but if I work from left to right, it clears that rule, it clears that thing up. So guys, I'll take 2 times 3 right now. 6. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite the question. It's going to be 3 plus 6 divided by 2. So see now what happens? I can divide again. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Say I rewrite the question again. The more times you rewrite it, the easier it becomes for you. Now it becomes 3 plus 3. 6. This is how we do bedmass. This is what I mean by, say, if you have left to right and they're the same, work. I'm going to tackle that question and give you for my challenge, for my almonds challenge. Okay? So there's my question. 3, negative 4. So let's go back to here. Okay? So guys, I'll give hints. I want you to work with the brackets first. I want you to figure out what's in here right now. Okay? Figure out 4. See, you got to work with the brackets first. See, there's my big bracket. Work inside there first. So what you're going to do is go 3 minus. Tell me what goes in my bracket right now.
3 minus 3.
Not negative.
She's so smart. Like, go in front.
12.
So smart.
Ranbir. Okay. 3 minus negative 12 plus 6 divided by 2. What do you do next? I'm going to don't yell at the answer. I'm going to ask. Ben, I have this right now. What do you do next? I'll give you a hint. Do you do this negative sign or minus sign, plus sign or division sign? No, Ben, let Ben. So do you do subtraction, addition, or division? Division. So you're going to do this. So guys, let's take 6 divided by 2 right now and rewrite the question. So it becomes 3 minus 12 plus. Manbir, what's 6 divided by 2? Is 3. So far so good? It is 3. Hey, you're almost done. Now, 3 minus a minus 12. Simplify that. 3 minus a minus 12. What does that become? 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 3 equals to 18. Hey guys and gals, you just won a free McDonald's burger. Now, where did I go wrong? When the first time I did it in such a hurry, I forgot to do the bed mass. This is the reason why a lot of people fail to win the McDonald's prize. Because why? They didn't do bed mass. Because they never took Math 8. That's why you guys are here. $1 million just for saying Math 8 and learning bed mass. Oh, I thought I get 999,000. So guys and gals, I want you to try this one on your own now. You have the skills, now apply them. Good luck. Six plus 9 times negative 3 divided. Sorry, I'm going to. Nope, you're not ready for a textbook yet. Divided by negative 3. So let me say this again. 6 plus 9 times negative 5 divided by negative 3. This requires a bit of thinking because the numbers may get a bit large, but you should have the skills to figure this one out. 6 plus 9 times negative 5 divided by negative 3. There we go. Guys and gals, figure this one out for me. Good luck. Nope. It is correct. Yep. Work on this right now. Spencer. Just put it on the side, Ben. It's fine. I'll fix it. Yeah, it could. I'm still waiting for answers. I have 3 things right here that you should figure out. You got to figure out order. Everything has to be important. Muhammad, what do you think the answer is? 21. I have 2 students who said 21. Okay. 30. I don't know what the answer is yet. I'm going to write down my possible answers. So these are what your friends are being saying. 21. Torin was 30? Okay. It could be. I don't know yet. Alex, what do you think it is? So this is negative 3. 24? Gary, what do you have? 24? Now, before, watch what I'm going to do first. You have a choice. You can either do one in yellow, blue, or green? You have to choose the right order. You're going to tackle this one first. No, it's not. Ranbir, which one am I going to do first? The yellow one, the ones in yellow, blue, or green? What should you do first? Green won't work. Because 5 and 3 doesn't go together. Blue. Because remember, good question. Because remember, because it's going for bed mass, you should do division first. But the problem is, 5 and 3 doesn't go, so we've got to do from left to right. 6 plus 45 divided by negative 3. But more importantly, this is negative 45. Now, I still have the yellow and I have the green. Okay. Who haven't I asked? Prabjot. Green. You did the green next. Okay. So now, this becomes 6 plus 15. Then basically, you solve it from here, which is 21. One last question, and this is going to be as hard as it gets. Good luck, guys and gals. If you can get this, high five, you're getting an A. This is as hard to get. 16 divided by divided by 4 minus 2 plus Ranbir times plus negative 4. Really, there's no point. I made it simpler because the original question book has a lot of brackets. I took it out for you. 2, 8. Only 3 left. Good luck. I have 3 left. Sorry, yeah?
It's so funny, man. How are you doing in math?
Two left. All right, guys and gals. First thing, way too noisy. Settle down. Nope. Give me 1 second. Yellow. I'm going to color code each operation. Blue. Green. I'm going to ask on someone who I haven't picked on today yet. Gary to the right. Gary to the right. What color should I do first? Why are you going to do blue first? Good. Blue is in brackets, so I'm going to work with the brackets first. So again, the key is right over and over. 16 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 plus negative 4. Okay. Now I still have colors to choose from. Yellow and green. Okay. Cody, I haven't asked you today yet, Cody. Cody, what color am I going to do next? Why yellow, Cody? Because it's division. Good. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I'm going to write down 8 plus. Here's where you guys made the error. First time I walked around, a lot of people are yelling this, so that's easy. I'm going to say 12. But the problem is, remember, it's plus minus. If it's plus minus, you can write it as 8 minus 4. Okay? So be careful about how this works. That gives you 4. Guys, gals, good job if you have 4. Okay? That's all there is to it. Now, your work. Tomorrow you will get a quiz A on this. Okay?
But you gotta turn off the mic.
Oh, I'm going to give the homework too. Once I turn, I'll start yelling at you when I turn off the mic so no one hears it. Guys, gals, I'm kidding. Project 315. I feel very generous today because you worked so well. I'm going to give you easy questions. How about 4 to 7 only? Only, I feel very generous. I feel generous today.